Good morning, guys. How's it going? Thank you for tuning in to another video. My name is Rush, and today, unfortunately, it's raining outside. As you guys can see, the Mustang is getting a little rain shower, and so is the SRT right there. But that is pretty much not what was today's plan. Today's plan was to install a bunch of new parts that I got. I've been collecting these parts over the past week and have more stuff coming in. And just like that, the Mustang build is pretty much in full effect. We're at 920 miles so far, so we're pretty close to that 1,000-mile break-in. So hopefully I'll get that today or tomorrow and then take the car and get it serviced, looked at, make sure everything is checking out, and then we can go ahead and start racing her and having all the fun that we want. So today I figured I would tell you a little bit of why the car is sleeping outside. Pretty much last night we went to Mexico with the boys. It was my first time really taking the Mustang out and driving it with them. It was very fun. One of my buddies with the red Hellcat, I'm sure you guys have seen him before on the channel, but if you're new, then I'd like to introduce you to 6.2 Hellcat. He's a wild one. He ended up taking his cats out yesterday. Mind you, he doesn't have resonators or mufflers, so this is one of the most obnoxious Hellcats on the block right now. So this was my reaction to it from last night. Go ahead and enjoy it. Here you go.
On the back. Your back's literally gonna blow out.
Okay, well you gotta tell them what you did today.
So I put the muffler and resonators back on, so it's completely stock right now.
No, you didn't.
I did. It's literally stock as fuck.
No, you didn't. Tell them the truth. You did your catalytic converters.
It's the same loudness as Jose's V6 right over here with the fucking Hellcat front.
Damn, do we have another up badger around here or what?
Hold on. We have two up badgers. Hold on. Wait, let's focus on this one though. All right.
You know, but for real, what's going on with your front splitter right here? It looks like it's falling off.
He was doing 200 miles an hour on his way to his booty call, and he lost it.
All right, let's hear the cold start. So he went ahead and took out his cats?
I took out the cats.
Okay, I'm gonna block my ears.
State referee, we got him.
Here we go.
State referee, we got him.
Here we go. Oh shit! Whoa. Damn, she's loud. Shit, whoa. Whoa, that's loud though. She's gonna run it. Oh my god. Oh boy. Damn, I can smell everything too. It smells good, but it's fucking loud. I think they want to run. Here they come. So the Hellcat is trying to shoot flames. He thinks he can do it. And I'm here to record him pretty much. Nope. Fuck! Alrighty guys, so as you saw there, it is a pretty loud Hellcat, but definitely a very fast Hellcat as well. So we went out to Mexico, we saw them do a few pulls. I mean, they were going all over the place. There was a Challenger 392 TA, which was in manual as well, and I was in manual. He kept trying to run me. I didn't necessarily want to race because you guys know like the car's not broken in. But I did give it like one little run where I kind of tried to shift a little earlier, not hit red line or anything like that. And man, that Coyote definitely moves out, especially up top. It definitely has a lot of steam. It gets moving. And he even noticed, he told me after the race that, you know, he got me on the jump, but the moment that we were up top, you can see or feel the car definitely pulling. So it felt pretty good, pretty nice, rewarding feeling, especially that was like my first ever race in a manual. And man, it felt so cool, like hitting the gears. I've never really raced a manual necessarily because, you know, I've had manuals before, but I never was really into the car scene. It was just more for my personal enjoyment. I would just kind of rip around the highways, the streets, here we go, like here and there, but nothing serious. So that was definitely an eye-opener. Now I'm like super stoked, and I'm definitely thinking about getting a short shifter for the Mustang. So if you have recommendations for a short shifter, if you have one yourself, let me know. I know MGW is really good. There's Barton, there's Steeda, there's a bunch of different brands. So it's a little confusing on which one I want to get, but definitely want to get a short shifter. That is not in the pile of parts right now. So we definitely need one of those in the car ASAP. And I know the installation is going to be hard, but we'll take care of that once we get there. As of right now, I have a bunch of other little stuff here and there for the car. As soon as the break-in is done, then we can start ordering some of the bigger stuff. I've ordered a few things, but still kind of on the way in. So I want you guys to stay tuned. Now, another thing I want to talk about in this video is the fact that a lot of you have tagged me in like some Ford news of an electric Mustang coming out in 2021, and you guys want to know my thoughts about it. Well, let me say this. You know, if you look at the hypercars in the world today, you'll notice that a lot of them have shifted to that kind of a technology. And that's just the way the world goes, you know? Like, there's new technologies, and there's going to be pros and cons to it. Now, I think a big part of it is, like, the manufacturers trying to get, like, trying to get on the government's good side with, like, you know, cutting back on emissions. You know, it'll cut back on, like, gas guzzler taxes, stuff like that. I know McLaren has done stuff like that with, like, the P1, where they avoided, like, a certain tax on the car by making it, you know, electric and gasoline powered, so a hybrid. Now with a Mustang, whether I would be into that or not, it's hard to say. We'd have to see like how well it performs. But my biggest gripe right now is if you think about the issues a Mustang is having with the engine tick and the shift forks, the way it sits, imagine incorporating a whole electric system. You know, I'm probably going to stay away from it for a while before I even like think about changing anything out in like 2021, just because I don't want to go through whatever the 2018 owners have gone through with the Mustangs, and a lot of them had some issues and problems, and having to wait, you know, to be without your car for months does not sound like fun to me. So for that reason, you know, I don't know if like introducing a hybrid system is going to be like the best option, but I hope that if they do introduce it, they can keep the characteristics in the Mustang. So a lot of people buy these cars because they love that Coyote engine, you know, the fact that it revs out high, it sounds good. So if they take that away, I think it's going to lose a lot of the people that are interested in this platform. Also the modability. So a big part of the reason why people get Mustangs, you know, over other cars, let's say like Challengers, Chargers, whatever, is because there's so much you can do to this car. And when I say that, it's not like it's just like a wide variety. There's so many different like aftermarket options for just about anything you can think of. You know, lights, you know, wheels, engine mods, interior mods, exterior mods. There's just so much you can do. And I've been indulging in that, hence, you know, I'm building this pile of parts, because I always end up finding something that I want to add to the car or throw on the car. So that's the thing. It's like if they can keep that and give us a hybrid Mustang that not only performs better, but it sounds good also, you know, it might be cool. You know, what I think of when I think of a hybrid Mustang is like, you start it up in electric mode, you get to drive out of your neighborhood quietly, and then hit a switch, and then your gasoline engine turns on, the Mustang really fires up, and you get to go enjoy it. Now, whether that's going to be the case or not, I'm not sure, but that's kind of how I picture it when I think of like a hybrid Mustang. So we'll have to see, but right now I'm kind of open to the idea because I know hypercars have it. Some of them have performed really well due to it, you know, having that instant torque of a electric engine, and then, you know, the sound and driving characteristics of a gasoline engine up top might be kind of cool. I'm not sure, but that's kind of my 2 cents on it. I know some of you guys are going to disagree. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. My name is Rush. I couldn't install any of my car parts today, but tune in tomorrow. We'll get going on this build, start throwing things on. I'm super excited. I've ordered a bunch of stuff for it, and there's more and more to come. So thank you so much for checking out this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a like on it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. My name is Rush. There is my GT. I don't know if you guys can see that SRT. Can you see that SRT? That SRT is right over there. and we will see you tomorrow. Peace.